you're already using AI. Yes, you.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
Some of us hear of artificial intelligence and immediately imagine flying robots, white people in labs, or apps that only work in America. The truth is, you're already using AI right here in Africa, and you don't even know it yet. Let's break it down. When your phone finishes your text before you even type it, that's AI. When Google Maps or Bolt chooses the fastest route through traffic in Nairobi, Lagos, Accra, or Mombasa, well, that's AI. When Boomplay or Spotify keeps suggesting music that's just your vibe, AI again. When your camera smooths your skin, removes the background, or auto-enhances your selfie, that's not just your phone being nice, it's AI. Okay, well, in this particular case, it wasn't a phone or something. I generated these entirely by AI. I mean, this girl doesn't exist. So, yeah, okay, let's continue. When Jumia, Konga, or Kilimall shows you deals based on what you were looking at, you guessed it, AI. So no, this is not some future tech you'll meet one day. You're living with it already today. The only difference is you're using it casually, not purposefully. So imagine what would happen if you were trained, if you knew how these tools worked, if you could create with them, earn with them, preach with them, teach with them, run your businesses with them, lead worship with them, make music with them, reach souls with them. This is not a tech conversation, it's a relevance conversation, a ministry conversation, a career-defining moment. So welcome to the wake-up call. This is no longer a conversation for tomorrow. This is the new literacy of our age. AI is not coming? No, sir. AI is already here. And whether you realize it or not, it's already shaping your choices, your exposure, your preferences, and your relevance. My name is Oscar King, and I'm glad to be your guide on this beautiful journey. Fasten your seatbelt because we're about to take off.
Okay, I don't know why I said that.